Breaking news coming in from Arnia sector of Jammu this morning. Heavy firing has once again started there. The terrorists reportedly started the firing first. Remember, the army restarted its operation early this morning at the break of dawn. They believe that one more militant was still on the loose. 3 militants, remember, were killed yesterday in a heavy gun battle. 3 soldiers and 4 civilians were also killed in the gun battle that's been raging on in the Arnia sector of Jammu and Kashmir. One militant reportedly on the loose. We now believe that firing has once again started. The military had started its operation early this morning. In fact, soldiers had been tipped off by locals who claim they saw 4 alleged Lashkar militants camping near an abandoned army bunker. This was yesterday, after which the militants engaged with the army in a fierce gun battle which went on till late into the night. 3 militants died in the gun battle, so did 3 soldiers. 4 civilians were also killed in the crossfire. We're now being told that firing has restarted. Search operations had been halted for the night yesterday, but they resumed at dawn. The army believes that there are still militants holed up inside an abandoned army bunker in Arnia in Jammu and Kashmir. These are pictures that we're getting you of soldiers carrying out search operations. In fact, they also carried out door-to-door searches throughout the village late last night. They began their search this morning as well, and now we're being told that firing has started once again. The militants are reportedly firing at army personnel. The raging gun battle in Arnia started yesterday. We're going to get a quick update from our correspondent Ashwini, but before that, here's a look at the ground report that he sent us a short while back.
For the last 24-hour operation in Arnia sector is going on. You can see that operation has been relaunched just now to locate the bodies of the terrorists who are killed, and they are planning a big operation again. You can see that special operation group of J&K police and other army personnel, the orders are being issued. They will go inside, they will search the bodies of the terrorists, and the whole night the army Jawans, they were monitoring the situation, and you can see these tanks were ready in the ready position to go inside again to check the bodies of the terrorists. Till now, we have a report of the 4 terrorists also killed, but there is no official confirmation. Till now, the bodies will be recovered, and till now, the operation has been again in the ready position, and you can see that police and other people, they are in ready position to go inside the village. This is just near the area so that they can check the movement of the terrorist. For the last 12 hours, operation was stopped because of the darkness, and now the operation has relaunched, and they will recover the bodies of the terrorists. And after the search operation is completed, then they will give the clearance to the local police to go for inside the village, because most of the villagers have left this area because of the terrorist attack yesterday. Ashwini Kumar for Headlines Today in Arnia sector.